Macedonia in English. Just about everything you want to know.
Fresh Parliament debate on media laws. By submitting one amendment to the law on media, the Association of Journalists of Macedonia, ZNM, asked for delayed application of the law, EA, as soon as the country becomes EU member. According to ZNM President Nasser Selmani, ZNM, as an association, expects that MPs voting this amendment, thus preventing possible damages over the work of the print and internet media. The government claims this law is according to European standards. If that is so, we do not mind if the law becomes applicable as soon as we are inside the EU. If any government in the accession negotiations convinces the European Commission that the freedom of expression and media freedom is respected in the country, then we will have no fears that the application of this law will be misused for silencing critical media voices, said Selmani. Tuesday, MPs debated on the media law, with the opposition presenting most remarks to the amendment stipulating that any production that has been shot abroad by Macedonian authors, as well as authors from the ethnic communities, be considered domestic production.